Hi everybody, Bob Icino from the PureXposure Growth Series, and I'm super excited to give you some news about Monday's show, April 13th, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Central Time. We'll go for a full hour encompassing the stock market open, as we always do with this show. But I had mentioned in my last video that we had a potential special guest who was not able to confirm yet. When I made that last video, well, he's confirmed and he's going to be on the show. It is Sri Kumar, who is, in my view, the best top-down macro economist out there. Now, Sri does not give financial advice or investment advice. He views financial markets from a top-down perspective as a macro economist. And he is just, I've watched him for years. I've communicated with him for years. He's become a friend. Sri is so smart on, especially on the Fed and interest rates and what their programs mean and what their programs do and how they affect markets. And you cannot approach markets without understanding what's going on with interest rates and with the Fed, given some of these programs that are beginning right now with the lockdowns and the economic damage done from the virus. So let me show you a couple of minutes of my friend Sri really quick.
Emergency rate cut was designed to soothe investors, but it ended up spooking them. The 10-year yield dropping sharply yesterday to an all-time low of 0.906%, though it's off those low levels right now. Actually, it's back below 1% at 0.996%. And we were told right here on Squawk Box that sub 1% rates were coming. Who told us that? Sri Kumar, who is the president of Sri Kumar Global Strategies. He joins us once again.
Good to be with you, Becky.
Sri, we have to start with you. When you called interest rates for the 10-year being somewhere between 0.75% and 1%, not only did we give you grief, we had no idea we were going to be there so rapidly. Here you are, same week that you've called that. What do you think?
When it comes to stocks, are we still in a bull market?
I don't think so. I think the bull market was going to end, and you always wondered, Guy, what was going to end the whole process. And if it was not the coronavirus, it might have been eventually high valuations and fear that would have done it, would have turned the market. But now I think we are in a very veritable bear market, and there is more to come.
So that is Sri Kumar. He's going to be on the show. Remember, we start 9 a.m. Eastern Time. It is a live show and it is free to attend. So make sure you're there. Check us out on YouTube, where we'll be broadcasting live. Now, because of the shelter-in-place order and the lockdowns, we're not going to be in our really cool studio like we normally are. It's going to be like this. It's going to be me in my office, Sri in his office, Jimmy Ayuro in his, Scott Bauer in his, Mike Arnold in his, and Serge Berger in his. But we're still going to give you a lot of great input, a lot of great trading ideas, and again, the top-down review from one of the best macro economists out there. So looking forward to seeing you guys, and I will talk to you on Monday live, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Central, PureXposure Growth Series.